Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. You ever feel like you're carrying the world on your shoulders but you're worried to ask for help? I totally get it. Sometimes it feels like asking is admitting defeat. But honestly, that's the biggest myth out there. Let me tell you something. Asking for help isn't a weakness. It's the bravest thing you can do. Think about it. Every single one of us has moments when we struggle, even if it looks like everyone else has it all together. Spoiler alert, we don't. I used to think I had to handle everything myself, like if I reached out, I'd be judged or let someone down. But the truth, people actually respect you more when you're open about what you need. It's real, it's honest, and it's so human. You deserve support without any guilt. No one gets through life alone, and you're allowed to lean on others just as much as you lift them up. Your mental and emotional well-being matters, and reaching out is the first step to moving forward. So next time you're struggling, remember, asking for help isn't giving up, it's powering up. It's taking control of your journey and showing up for yourself, even when it's tough. If you hear nothing else today, hear this: you're not alone and you never have to be. Own your story, ask for help, and let people show up for you. Because that, right there, is true strength. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content.